Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 subtle psychological triggers that make people open up to you. What if getting people to open up wasn't about asking better questions, but about how you make them feel? Because the truth is, people don't open up to logic, they open up to safety, to comfort, to subtle signals that say, "You can trust me here." Today, you're going to learn 10 powerful psychological triggers that quietly, naturally make people open up to you without forcing, without pressure, just human connection. Take a breath, slow down, and listen carefully. Trigger number 1, silence. Most people are afraid of silence. They rush to fill it. But silence creates space, and space invites honesty. When you ask a question, pause. Don't jump in. Let the silence stretch. People will often fill it with something real. Trigger number 2, soft eye contact. Not staring, not intense, just present. When your gaze is calm, it signals, "I'm here with you." And that feeling opens people up. Trigger number 3, nodding slowly. A small, simple gesture, but powerful. It tells the other person, "I hear you." Keep going without interrupting. Trigger number 4, mirroring, subtly matching their tone, their pace, their energy, not copying, but aligning. This creates subconscious comfort and familiarity. People trust what feels similar. Trigger number 5, lowering your voice. When you speak softer, people lean in. It creates intimacy, focus, connection. Loud voices dominate. Soft voices invite. Trigger number 6, sharing something small first. Not everything, just a little. When you open up slightly, the other person feels permission to do the same. This is called reciprocity. Trigger number 7, using their name gently, naturally. A person's name is deeply personal. When you use it, you create connection, attention, warmth. Trigger number 8, asking open questions. Not, "Did you like it?" but, "What did you feel?" Open questions create room for real answers. Trigger number 9, validating feelings. Instead of correcting or judging, say, "That makes sense. I can see why you feel that way." Validation doesn't mean agreement. It means understanding. And understanding builds trust. Trigger number 10, being fully present. No phone, no distractions, no rushing, just attention, because attention is rare. And when someone feels truly seen, they open up. Now, let's slow everything down and feel it. Silence, eye contact, nod, mirror, soft voice, share, name, open question, validate, be present. Again, silence, eye contact, nod, mirror, soft voice, share, name, open question, validate, be present, notice something. None of these are forceful. They're subtle, human, natural. That's the point. People don't open up because you push. They open up because they feel safe. Now, imagine your next conversation. You pause, you listen, you stay present, and slowly, naturally, the other person begins to open up, not because you made them, but because you allowed it. Now, we go again, this time. You feel it deeper. Silence, eye contact, nod, mirror, soft voice, share, name, open question, validate, presence, and just as it starts to click, as it starts to feel natural, we continue, ready. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.